viewers, welcome to Innovate Teaching Channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a concept from inclusive education. This class will teach you what are the main differences between special school, integrated school and inclusive school. Come on, let's discuss them one by one carefully. First, special school. A special school is a school for children who have some kind of serious physical or mental problem. Special education is designed specifically for students with special needs. Remedial education can be designed for any students with or without special needs. Special education is specially designed instruction at no cost to parents to meet the unique needs of a child with a disability. Special education is in place to provide additional services, support, programs, specialized placements or environments to ensure that all students' educational needs are provided for. Second, integrated school. Integrated education traditionally refers to the education where children with special needs in mainstream settings. Disabled people of all ages and or of these learners with special educational needs, labels being placed in mainstream education settings with some adaptations and resources externally. Integrated schools educate children in an environment where self-esteem and independence are developed as priorities. The integrated ethos is nurtured to ensure inclusion of all people from different disabilities, different religions, different cultures, different genders, different abilities, and different socio-economic backgrounds. Third, inclusive school. Inclusive schools recognize and respond to the diverse needs of their students, accommodating both different styles and rates of learning and ensures quality education to all through appropriate curriculum, organizational arrangements, teaching strategies, resource use, and partnership with their communities. Whilst inclusive beliefs, policies, and practices specifically addresses the needs of students with disabilities and additional learning needs, they are equally beneficial for the full range of students. All students, regardless of their ability or disability, benefit from schools adopting inclusive practices. The most and final important point to discuss about inclusive school was these schools that are inclusive adopt the belief that wherever possible, all children should learn together, regardless of differences, so that all children can learn and achieve their potential, and that the continuum of students' needs should be matched by a continuum of programs, support, and services. Hence, I request all the teachers to accept all the inclusion schools, integrated schools, and special schools. Treat all the children equally. Okay, learners, I am signing off. Take care. Bye.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our Innovate Teaching channel.